Hey everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. This has been sort of a hurricane of a week for me with all kinds of things I'm working on doing in addition to this house. So the video is going to be a little sparser, not as much commentary, no music. It's going to be raw. I hope you enjoy it. Check out my book. All the links are in the description below for other things to click on. Thanks for watching.
We all need it. You laugh around here, jabroni. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely not a professional foreman. Shoe on the floor there. Big poor knees. Perfect. And then the key is when you come to an end of a row, you flip your piece around backwards. Give me a moment. Give you a professional demonstration. Normally your tongue goes like this, but you flip her around backwards for a second. Then you take your square, run her up, make sure you got enough room to maneuver. I'm not really left-handed. We got us a score mark there. Could have been deeper. And then we snap it. Then that piece gets flipped around yonder way. I'll lift this one up a little bit. Then you tuck her in. And get these two pieces mated up. Wiggle it! Okay, I don't know if I got it good enough right here. There we go. Okay. Get your little tapping block. That always makes a big difference. Before you tap it, it looks like it's kind of tilted up a little bit. Give it some taps. Then you got this thing right here. And make sure you got a good security there. Yeah. And when you start these rows out, the whole floor, you're knocking it one way or another, it's getting too close to the wall. So I'm going to get some laid, then I'll get my gaps set. You know what? This is a lot of bullcrap.